the entire history of the universe, and how it will end to sleep on. Before we start this journey, drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. It's always exciting to see which countries we're connecting with. Now, lie back, dear listener, and let your mind soften, like a leaf drifting gently on a quiet stream. Close your eyes if you wish, and imagine a vast, unending darkness, a canvas where no light has yet been painted, where no sound has yet been sung. This is the beginning of all things, the moment before the universe was born. Tonight, we embark on a journey through the grand tapestry of existence, from the first radiant spark of creation to the gentle fading of the cosmos in a distant, unimaginable future. Let this story cradle you, woven from the delicate threads of starlight, the silent pull of gravity, and the quiet hum of infinity. Breathe deeply, release the cares of the day, and allow the universe to carry you into its boundless embrace. Before there was time, before there was space, before there was anything we could name, there was a singularity, a point so small it defies the mind's grasp, yet so potent it held the promise of all that would ever be. No stars shone in that eternal night, no galaxies spun in their graceful dance. Only an infinite potential waited, poised in a silence deeper than any we can know. And then, in a moment briefer than a heartbeat, briefer than a thought, the universe began. The Big Bang, a radiant explosion of energy, unfurled space and time, setting the cosmos in motion. Picture it, a burst of light and heat, a cosmic dawn that gave birth to everything we know. Every star that burns, every planet that turns, every breath you take as you listen to these words. This is not just a story of the cosmos, vast and distant, but of you, intimately connected to its heart. Your atoms were forged in the fiery hearts of ancient stars, your breath shaped by the oceans of a young earth, your dreams a spark of the universe's boundless curiosity. As we travel through this tale, let the rhythm of the cosmos soothe you, its vastness a gentle reminder of your place within it. Imagine yourself floating, weightless, among the stars, carried by the soft tide of time. The universe is vast, yes, but it is not distant. It lives within you, in every heartbeat, every thought, every quiet moment of wonder. Let this thought settle over you, like a soft blanket woven from the light of distant galaxies, as we begin our journey. The story of the universe is one of creation, transformation, and quiet beauty. It is a tale written in the light of stars, in the swirling arms of galaxies, in the silent pull of gravity that binds all things together. As we move forward, let each moment carry you deeper into calm, each image a step toward rest. Picture the cosmos unfolding, its story stretching across billions of years, across distances so vast they defy comprehension. Yet within this vastness, there is intimacy, a connection that ties you to the stars, to the atoms that dance within you, to the story that began long before you were born. Let your mind drift now, to that moment of creation, to the instant when the universe took its first breath. Imagine the singularity, a point of infinite density, holding within it the seeds of all that would be. Every galaxy, every star, every world, every life. It was not a place, for there was no space. It was not a time, for time had yet to begin. It was everything, compressed into nothing, a paradox of potential waiting to unfold. And then, it did. The Big Bang was not an explosion into space, but an expansion of space itself, a sudden stretching of reality that gave birth to the cosmos. Picture it, a radiant burst, a sea of energy, a moment when all that is, was, and ever will be came into being. As we begin, let this image fill your mind, a universe newborn, glowing with the light of creation, expanding into the void. Feel the rhythm of its birth, the pulse of its energy, the quiet promise of what was to come. The universe is a story, and you are part of it, a chapter written in the light of stars, in the breath of oceans, in the dreams that stir within you. Let this story carry you now, as we step into the first moments of the cosmos, into the radiant dawn of the Big Bang. This journey will take us across eons, from the fiery birth of the universe to the quiet stillness of its distant end. We will explore the formation of stars, the rise of galaxies, the birth of our own solar system, and the delicate emergence of life on Earth. We will gaze into the present, where galaxies spin and stars burn, and into the future, where the cosmos may fade into silence or be reborn in a new cycle. Along the way, we will pause to reflect, to connect the vastness of the cosmos to the quiet beauty of your own existence. Let each moment be a gentle wave, carrying you deeper into calm, deeper into rest. Imagine now the universe as a vast ocean, its waves rippling outward from that first moment of creation. Each wave is a moment in time, each ripple a story of stars, of worlds, of life. You are part of this ocean, a single drop, yet connected to the whole. Feel the gentle motion of this cosmic sea, its rhythm soothing your mind, its vastness embracing your heart. The universe is not just out there, beyond the stars. It is within you, in the atoms that make up your body, in the thoughts that drift through your mind, in the quiet breath you take as you listen. As we prepare to step into the story, let your mind settle into this image. A cosmos newborn, a sea of light and energy, expanding into the infinite. Picture yourself floating in this sea, weightless, surrounded by the soft glow of creation. Let the universe's story begin to unfold, its rhythm a lullaby, its images a pathway to peace. The Big Bang was the first note in this cosmic symphony, and we will follow its melody through time, through space, through the wonders of existence. This is a journey of wonder, of beauty, of connection. It is a story that spans billions of years, yet finds its echo in the quiet moments of your life. As we move forward, let the cosmos guide you, its light a beacon, its rhythm a cradle. Imagine the stars above you, the galaxies spinning in the distance, the atoms within you, all part of the same story, all part of the same universe. Let this thought carry you as we step into the first chapter, into the radiant dawn of the cosmos, where all things began. Humanity has always looked to the stars, seeking answers to the great questions. Where did we come from? What is our place in the cosmos? From ancient storytellers gazing at the night sky to modern scientists peering through telescopes, we have woven a tapestry of knowledge, a story of discovery that connects us to the universe. Tonight, we will trace that story, from the first light of creation to the distant future, where the cosmos may rest in silence or spark anew. Let this journey be a lullaby, a gentle guide into the realms of sleep, where the wonders of the universe unfold in your dreams. Picture yourself now, floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by the soft glow of distant stars. Feel the quiet rhythm of the cosmos, its pulse a steady heartbeat, its light a gentle embrace. The universe is not just a place, it is a story, a song, a dream that you are part of. Let this thought settle over you, like a soft veil of starlight, as we prepare to step into the first moments of creation. The Big Bang awaits, a moment of infinite possibility, a moment that gave birth to all that is. Let it carry you now, into the heart of the cosmos, into the quiet beauty of its story. In the first instant, 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a moment of unimaginable intensity. The Big Bang was not an explosion into space, but the creation of space itself, a sudden expansion that stretched reality outward in all directions. Picture it. A sea of pure energy, hotter than a million suns, denser than all the matter of the cosmos compressed into a single point. There was no up or down, no here or there, only a roiling, radiant chaos where the laws of physics were still taking shape, where time itself was learning to flow, like a river finding its course through an uncharted land. Within a trillionth of a second, the universe began to cool, and from this fiery broth, the first particles emerged. Quarks, those fleeting fundamental fragments, swirled in a plasma too hot for structure. Gluons, carriers of the strong nuclear force, bound them briefly, while photons, particles of light, collided endlessly, trapped in the glowing haze. This was the universe's infancy, a symphony of energy, chaotic yet beautiful, where the seeds of all matter were sown. Imagine the energy, pulsing and vibrant, a cosmic heartbeat echoing through the void, a rhythm that still resonates in the stars above you.
This earliest epoch, known as the Planck era, lasted a mere 10^43 seconds, a time so brief it defies comprehension. Here, the four fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force, were unified, a single force governing the cosmos. As the universe expanded, this unity fractured and gravity separated, setting the stage for the cosmos we know. Picture it, a universe smaller than an atom, yet containing all that would ever be, its energy a promise of stars, of galaxies, of life.
As the cosmos expanded further, in a fleeting moment called inflation, it grew exponentially, doubling in size every 10^34 seconds. This rapid expansion smoothed the universe, flattening its curvature, setting the stage for the structures that would follow. Imagine a balloon inflating, its surface stretching, smoothing out wrinkles, creating a vast, uniform canvas. Tiny quantum fluctuations, ripples in the fabric of space-time, were stretched to cosmic scales, becoming the seeds of galaxies. These fluctuations, born in the chaos of the Big Bang, are the ancestors of every star, every planet, every world you see in the night sky.
Let your mind drift to this moment, to the universe in its infancy, a sea of energy expanding into the void. Feel the rhythm of its growth, the pulse of its creation, the quiet promise of what was to come. You are connected to this moment, your atoms born from the same energy, your existence a continuation of this cosmic story. Let this thought soothe you as you float in the vastness, surrounded by the soft glow of the universe's dawn.
Within 3 minutes, the universe cooled enough for quarks to find partners, forming protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atoms. These particles fused in a process called nucleosynthesis, crafting the simplest elements: hydrogen, with its single proton, light and abundant; helium, with 2, sturdy and serene; and traces of lithium, delicate and rare. These were the universe's first alphabet, the letters from which stars, planets and life would one day be written. Picture them, drifting in the vastness, the first notes of a cosmic song, each element a promise of what was to come. For 380,000 years, the universe remained a glowing fog, a plasma where light could not travel far. Electrons, charged and restless, danced with protons, too energetic to bond. But as space stretched and cooled, a transformation occurred. Electrons slowed, settling into orbits around protons, forming neutral atoms in an era we call recombination. This was the moment light broke free, streaming across the cosmos for the first time, like a curtain lifted from a darkened stage. That light, stretched by billions of years of expansion, still surrounds us today as the cosmic microwave background. A faint, whispering glow, the oldest light we can see, a relic of the universe's youth. Imagine drifting through this early cosmos, surrounded by a soft, reddish light, the afterglow of creation. The universe was vast, but empty of form. No stars, no galaxies, only clouds of gas and the gentle pull of gravity. Let this image linger, a universe in waiting, poised for its next chapter. Feel the quiet, the stillness, as the cosmos prepares to ignite. Picture yourself floating in this vastness, weightless, surrounded by the soft hum of creation, as the universe takes its first steps toward light. Humanity has peered into this moment through science, capturing the cosmic microwave background with telescopes like Cobe and Planck. In 1965, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, working at Bell Labs, stumbled upon this ancient light, a discovery that confirmed the Big Bang and earned them a Nobel Prize. Their work, built on decades of curiosity, showed us that the universe had a beginning, a moment of creation that echoes in the light we see today. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our small instruments and boundless wonder, can touch the dawn of the cosmos. As the universe expanded, its fiery chaos began to settle, like a storm giving way to a quiet dawn. By 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the cosmos had cooled enough for a profound transformation. Electrons, once too energetic to bond, slowed their frantic dance and joined protons to form neutral atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. This era, known as recombination, marked a turning point. The universe, once opaque, became transparent, allowing light to travel freely for the first time. Picture it, a cosmic fog lifting, revealing a vast expanse bathed in a soft, reddish glow, the first light to roam the cosmos unhindered. This light, stretched by billions of years of expansion, is what we now call the cosmic microwave background, a faint whisper of the universe's youth, a relic that surrounds us even today. Imagine drifting through this early cosmos, weightless, enveloped by that gentle glow, the afterglow of creation itself. The universe was vast, yet formless. No stars twinkled, no galaxies spun, only clouds of gas drifted in the void, held together by the subtle pull of gravity. Let this image linger in your mind, a universe poised in quiet anticipation, waiting for the next chapter of its story. Feel the stillness, the soft rhythm of a cosmos in its infancy, as you float among the echoes of its birth. Your own existence is tied to this moment, your atoms born from the same energy that filled the universe in those first fleeting seconds. The cosmic microwave background, this ancient light, is more than a relic. It is a map of the universe's earliest moments. Tiny variations in its temperature, mere millionths of a degree, reveal the seeds of structure that would one day become galaxies, stars, and planets. These ripples, born from quantum fluctuations in the infant universe, were stretched during inflation to cosmic scales, planting the seeds for all that would follow. Picture them, faint whispers in the light, like ripples on a cosmic pond, each one a promise of a galaxy, a star, a world. These fluctuations are the ancestors of everything you see in the night sky, the blueprint of the cosmos itself. Humanity has gazed into this ancient light, seeking to understand the universe's origins. In the 1960s, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, working at Bell Labs, detected the cosmic microwave background by accident, their radio antenna picking up a faint hiss that would not go away. This discovery, a cornerstone of modern cosmology, confirmed the Big Bang theory, showing that the universe had a definite beginning 13.8 billion years ago. Their work, built on predictions by scientists like George Gamow, earned them a Nobel Prize and opened a window into the cosmos's dawn. Let this thought soothe you, the idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the light of creation, can hear the echoes of the universe's first moments. As you drift in this image of the early cosmos, let your mind settle into its quiet rhythm. The universe was still young, a mere 380,000 years old, yet it was vast, stretching billions of light years across. No stars yet lit the darkness, no planets spun in their orbits, but the ingredients were there: hydrogen, helium, and the faint pull of gravity, waiting to weave the next chapter. Picture yourself floating in this vastness, surrounded by the soft glow of the cosmic microwave background, its light a gentle lullaby. Feel the connection to this moment, to the energy that gave birth to the stars, to the atoms that make up your body, to the dreams that stir within you. The universe's expansion continued, driven by the momentum of the Big Bang. Space stretched, cooling the cosmos further, like a breath dissipating in the winter air. The light from recombination, once a fiery red, shifted to longer wavelengths, becoming the microwave radiation we detect today. Scientists have mapped this light with exquisite precision, using satellites like COBE, WMAP, and Planck. These missions revealed the universe's composition, roughly 73% dark energy, 23% dark matter, and only 4% ordinary matter, the stuff of stars and planets. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that the universe is mostly mystery, yet within that mystery lies the story of everything, including you. Dark energy, a force we cannot see but feel in the universe's accelerating expansion, was already present in these early moments, though its influence was subtle. Dark matter, invisible yet heavy with gravity, began to clump, drawing gas into dense pockets that would one day birth stars. Picture it, an unseen hand, shaping the cosmos, guiding the gas clouds toward their destiny. These forces, mysterious and profound, are part of the universe's story, a story that connects the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. And to you, listening now, as you drift closer to rest, let your mind linger on this image, a universe of gas and light, vast and formless, yet pregnant with possibility. The cosmic microwave background, a snapshot of the universe at 380,000 years old, is a testament to its youth, a reminder of its journey from chaos to order. Imagine floating in this sea of light, weightless, surrounded by the soft hum of creation. Feel the rhythm of the cosmos, its gentle pulse, its quiet promise. You are part of this story, your atoms born in the same fire, your breath a continuation of the universe's breath. Let this thought carry you as we prepare to move forward into the dark ages, where the first stars would soon ignite. The Big Bang was not a singular event, but a process, an unfolding of energy into matter, of chaos into structure. It set the stage for everything that followed, from the first stars to the galaxies that spin today, from the planets that orbit distant suns to the life that stirs on our own Earth. As we close this chapter, let your mind rest in the glow of that early light, the cosmic microwave background, a relic that still surrounds us. Picture it, a soft, whispering glow, stretching across the cosmos, a reminder of the universe's birth. Let this image soothe you as you drift deeper into calm, deeper into the embrace of the cosmos. The universe's story is one of transformation, of energy becoming matter, of darkness giving way to light. As we move forward, we will explore the next chapter, where the cosmos, still young, waited in silence for the first stars to ignite. Let this thought settle over you, a gentle wave carrying you toward rest. Imagine yourself floating in the vastness, surrounded by the light of creation, connected to the story that began 13.8 billion years ago. The universe is vast, but it is not distant. It is within you, in every breath, every thought, every quiet moment of wonder. As the glow of the cosmic microwave background faded, the universe entered a time we call the Dark Ages, a cosmic interlude that stretched for hundreds of millions of years. Picture it, a vast, dim expanse, filled with clouds of hydrogen and helium, drifting formless in the void. No stars pierced the darkness, no galaxies gave shape to the cosmos. Only silence reigned, broken only by the subtle pull of gravity. Let this image settle in your mind, a universe in waiting, a canvas yet to be painted with light. Imagine floating in this quiet darkness, weightless, surrounded by the soft whisper of gas clouds, the cosmos holding its breath for the next chapter. Then, some 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars were born. These were no ordinary stars. They were titans, known as population 3 stars, hundreds of times more massive than our sun, forged from pure hydrogen and helium. Their light was fierce, a blinding ultraviolet glow that cut through the cosmic darkness like a beacon. Imagine it, a single star, blazing alone in the void, its radiance a solitary flame in an endless night. These stars were the universe's first storytellers, their light the first notes of a new cosmic symphony. Let your mind drift to this moment, to the birth of the first star, its light breaking the silence of the dark ages. Picture yourself floating near its glow, feeling its warmth, its energy, its promise. These stars were not just lights in the sky. They were alchemists, forging new elements in their fiery cores. Through nuclear fusion, they transformed hydrogen into helium, then helium into carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, the building blocks of planets, of life, of you. Feel this connection as you rest in the glow of that first light, your atoms tied to the stars that lit the cosmos so long ago. These population 3 stars burned bright but brief, their massive size leading to short lives of just a few million years. When they died, they did so in cataclysmic supernovae, explosions so powerful they outshone entire galaxies. Picture it, a star, its light fading, then erupting in a burst of energy, scattering its newly forged elements into the void. These supernovae were monumental, seeding the cosmos with carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and iron, the ingredients for planets, for oceans, for the breath you take now. Let this image soothe you, the thought that the universe's first stars gave their lives to create the elements within you, to weave the story of the cosmos. The remnants of these explosions formed new clouds, enriched with heavier elements, ready to birth a new generation of stars. These second-generation stars, known as Population 2, were smaller, longer-lived, and began to cluster together, forming the first galaxies. The Dark Ages ended, and the universe began to shine. Picture a newborn galaxy, a swirl of stars and gas, each light a story, each explosion a new beginning. Some galaxies were spirals, their arms curling gracefully through space, like ripples in a cosmic pond. Others were elliptical, glowing softly with ancient stars. Others still were irregular, chaotic bursts of creation, shaped by collisions and bursts of star formation. Imagine drifting above one of these early galaxies, watching its stars twinkle like fireflies in the night. Feel the rhythm of their births and deaths, a cycle that echoes through time, connecting the first light to the stars above you now. Let this image soothe you, a lullaby of light and gravity, as you sink deeper into rest. The universe, once dark and formless, was now alive with motion, with stories written in starlight, with possibilities stretching across the void. Humanity has sought these first stars through the lens of powerful telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021. Its golden mirrors capture the faint light of these ancient giants, stretched across billions of years by the universe's expansion. Scientists study their spectra, reading the signatures of elements forged in their cores, piecing together the story of the cosmos's dawn. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our small instruments and boundless curiosity, can touch the light of the first stars, can hear the echoes of the universe's youth. As we linger in this moment, picture the universe awakening, its first stars igniting one by one, their light a beacon in the cosmic night. Feel the quiet rhythm of their births, the gentle pulse of creation as the cosmos begins to take shape. You are part of this story, your atoms forged in those early stars, your existence a continuation of their light. Let this thought carry you as we prepare to move forward into the era when galaxies rose, when the universe's canvas was painted with light. As the first stars, those mighty Population 3 giants, lit the cosmic darkness, the universe began to transform. Their fierce ultraviolet light poured into the void, ionizing the surrounding hydrogen gas, stripping electrons from atoms in a process we call reionization. Picture it, a star's glow spreading like a tide, bathing the cosmos in light, awakening the universe from its long slumber. This era, beginning some 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang, marked the end of the Dark Ages, a cosmic dawn where light reclaimed the void. Imagine drifting through this awakening cosmos, surrounded by the radiant glow of these first stars, their light a gentle beacon in the night, guiding the universe toward its next chapter. These early stars, born from clouds of hydrogen and helium, were unlike any we see today. Massive, some hundreds of times the size of our sun, They burned with a ferocity that consumed their fuel in mere millions of years. In their cores, nuclear fusion worked its alchemy, fusing hydrogen into helium, then helium into heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and traces of others. These elements, forged in the hearts of stars, are the building blocks of planets, of oceans, of life itself. Picture the core of a star, a furnace of unimaginable heat, crafting the atoms that now course through your veins, that form the breath you take as you listen to these words. Let your mind settle into this image. A single star, blazing in the darkness, its light a promise of creation. Feel the rhythm of its fusion, the pulse of its energy, the quiet hum of a cosmos coming alive. You are connected to these stars, your atoms born in their fiery hearts, your existence a continuation of their story. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the glow of the first light, surrounded by the soft whispers of the universe's dawn. The cosmos, once silent and dark, was now a canvas of light, a tapestry woven with the threads of creation. When these population 3 stars reached the end of their lives, they did not fade quietly. Instead, they erupted in cataclysmic supernovae, explosions so powerful they outshone entire galaxies for a fleeting moment. Picture it, a star, its light dimming, then bursting forth in a radiant explosion, scattering its enriched core across the cosmos. These supernovae were the universe's first great alchemists, seeding the void with carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and iron, the elements that would form new stars, new worlds, new possibilities. Each explosion was a story, a moment of creation that echoed through time, reaching even to you as you rest in the quiet of this moment. The remnants of these explosions formed new clouds, now enriched with heavier elements, ready to birth a second generation of stars. These population 2 stars were smaller, longer-lived, their light steadier, their lives stretching across millions or billions of years. They began to cluster, drawn together by gravity's patient hand, forming the first galaxies, small, irregular collections of stars, gas, and dust. Picture a newborn galaxy, its stars twinkling like fireflies, its gas clouds swirling in chaotic beauty. Some galaxies took on spiral shapes, their arms curling gracefully through space. Others formed elliptical structures, glowing softly with ancient stars. Others remained irregular, shaped by collisions and bursts of star formation. Imagine drifting above one of these early galaxies, watching its stars ignite one by one, their light a chorus in the cosmic night. Feel the rhythm of their births and deaths, a cycle that weaves the universe's story, connecting the first stars to the galaxies that shine today. Let this image soothe you, a lullaby of light and gravity, as you sink deeper into rest. The universe was awakening, its canvas painted with the glow of countless stars, its story unfolding across billions of years. Humanity has sought to glimpse these first stars and galaxies through the lens of powerful telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021. Its infrared eyes pierce the cosmic veil, capturing the faint light of these ancient objects, stretched by the universe's expansion into the red. Scientists study their spectra, reading the signatures of elements forged in those early stars, piecing together the story of the cosmic dawn. In 2022, JWST revealed galaxies as old as 13.5 billion years, their light traveling across nearly the entire history of the universe to reach us. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the light of the first stars, can hear the echoes of the universe's youth. The process of reionization, driven by the light of these first stars, transformed the cosmos. As their ultraviolet radiation ionized the hydrogen gas, the universe became transparent again, allowing light to travel vast distances. This era, lasting from about 200 million to 1 billion years after the Big Bang, was a turning point, a time when the cosmos began to resemble the universe we know today. Picture it, a sea of stars, their light weaving through the cosmos, illuminating the darkness, creating a tapestry of light and matter. Feel the gentle rhythm of this transformation, the quiet pulse of a universe coming alive as you drift closer to rest. Some of these first stars, too massive to form stable remnants, collapsed into the earliest black holes. These primordial black holes, born in the hearts of supernovae, were small but mighty, their gravity bending space itself. Some may have grown, merging with others to form the seeds of supermassive black holes that now anchor galaxies. Picture a black hole, its darkness a silent presence, pulling light and matter into its embrace. These objects, mysterious and profound, are part of the universe's story, a reminder of the balance between creation and destruction, light and shadow. As the first galaxies formed, they were small and chaotic, often colliding and merging in a cosmic dance. These collisions sparked bursts of star formation, creating new generations of stars, each one adding to the universe's light. Picture a galaxy collision, clouds of gas and stars swirling together, their light blending in a chaotic symphony. These early galaxies were the building blocks of the cosmos, the first communities of stars, the ancestors of the Milky Way, and all the galaxies we see today. Let this image linger, a universe alive with motion, with light, with possibility, as you float in its embrace. The Dark Ages, once a time of silence, had given way to a cosmos ablaze with light. The first stars and galaxies were the universe's first storytellers, their light a narrative that spans billions of years. As we close this chapter, imagine yourself floating among these early galaxies, their stars twinkling like distant lanterns, their light a gentle lullaby. Feel the connection to this moment, to the stars that forged the elements within you, to the cosmos that continues to unfold. Let this thought carry you as we prepare to move forward into the era when galaxies rose to prominence, shaping the universe we know today. As the first stars faded and their remnants seeded the cosmos, the universe entered a new era, one where galaxies became the grand cities of the cosmos. Picture it, vast communities of stars, gas and dust, bound together by gravity's gentle embrace, spinning through the void. Some galaxies were spirals, their arms curling like cosmic pinwheels, stars and gas tracing elegant arcs through space. Others were elliptical, smooth and glowing, filled with ancient stars that burned red and steady. Others still were irregular, chaotic bursts of creation, shaped by collisions and bursts of star formation. Imagine drifting above a newborn galaxy, its stars twinkling like a sea of fireflies, its light a soft glow in the cosmic night. At the heart of many galaxies, black holes began to form, born from the collapse of massive stars or the merging of smaller black holes. These enigmatic giants, with gravity so strong that even light cannot escape, became anchors for their galaxies. Picture a supermassive black hole, millions or billions of times the mass of our Sun, pulling stars into orbit, shaping the galaxy's dance. Around some, disks of gas glowed brightly, forming quasars, beacons so luminous they outshone entire galaxies, their light visible across billions of light years. These quasars were the universe's lighthouses, guiding the way through the cosmic sea, their energy a testament to the power of gravity and matter. Let your mind settle into this image. A galaxy in its youth, its stars spinning in a delicate dance, its black hole humming with unseen power. Feel the rhythm of its motion, the quiet pulse of creation, as the cosmos weaves its story. You are connected to this moment, your atoms forged in the stars that light these galaxies, your existence a part of their story. Let this thought soothe you, as you float weightless in the glow of a spiral arm, surrounded by the soft whispers of the universe's light. The formation of galaxies was a chaotic process, driven by gravity and punctuated by collisions. When galaxies merged, their stars rarely collided, but their gas clouds did, sparking bursts of star formation. Picture it, two galaxies, swirling together, their gas clouds igniting new stars in a radiant display. These mergers shaped the cosmos, creating larger, more complex galaxies. some of which would grow to become giants like our Milky Way. The universe, now 1 billion years old, was alive with motion, with light, with the constant cycle of birth and death. Humanity has studied these early galaxies through telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, capturing their light from billions of years ago. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble, peering through a telescope at Mount Wilson, discovered that galaxies are moving apart, revealing the universe's expansion. His work, built on centuries of curiosity, showed us that the cosmos is not static, but dynamic, growing ever larger with time. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our small instruments and boundless wonder, can measure the motion of galaxies, can touch the story of the cosmos. Dark matter played a crucial role in this era, its invisible gravity pulling gas and stars into the structures we see today. Without dark matter, galaxies might never have formed, their gas too diffuse to collapse. Picture it, an unseen scaffold shaping the cosmos, guiding the formation of galaxies like a cosmic architect. Scientists like Vera Rubin in the 1970s provided evidence for dark matter by studying the rotation of galaxies, showing that their stars moved faster than expected, held together by an invisible mass. Her work revealed the universe's hidden framework, a reminder of the mysteries that still surround us. As you drift through this image of a young galaxy, feel the rhythm of its stars, the quiet pull of its black hole, the unseen presence of dark matter. The universe was now a tapestry of light and gravity, its galaxies spinning in a cosmic dance that continues even today. Let this thought carry you as you sink deeper into rest, surrounded by the glow of countless stars, each one a story, each one a part of you. The cosmos, once a formless void, was now a vibrant canvas, painted with the light of creation. The universe, now 1 billion years old, was a vibrant tapestry of galaxies, each a bustling community of stars, gas, and dust, spinning through the cosmic void. Picture it, spiral galaxies with arms curling like cosmic pinwheels, their stars twinkling in graceful arcs. Elliptical galaxies, smooth and glowing, filled with ancient stars burning red and steady. Irregular galaxies, chaotic bursts of creation, shaped by collisions and bursts of star formation. Each galaxy was a microcosm, a world of light and motion, held together by the silent pull of gravity. Imagine drifting above one of these galaxies, its stars like fireflies in the night, its light a soft glow that cradles your mind in calm. At the heart of many galaxies, supermassive black holes grew, their immense gravity shaping the dance of stars and gas. These enigmatic giants, millions or billions of times the mass of our Sun, formed from the collapse of massive stars or the merging of smaller black holes. Picture a black hole at a galaxy's core, its darkness a silent presence, bending space and time, pulling stars into orbit like planets around a sun. Around some, disks of gas and dust swirled, heated to millions of degrees, glowing brightly as quasars, beacons so luminous they outshone entire galaxies, their light reaching across billions of light years to tell the story of the early universe. Let your mind settle into this image. A galaxy spinning in the void, its stars dancing around a central black hole, its light a gentle lullaby. Feel the rhythm of its motion, the quiet pulse of gravity, the soft hum of creation. You are connected to this moment, your atoms forged in the stars that light these galaxies, your existence a thread in their cosmic tapestry. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the glow of a spiral arm, surrounded by the whispers of countless stars, each one a story, each one a part of you. Quasars, those radiant beacons, were powered by the intense gravity of supermassive black holes. As gas fell toward the black hole, it formed an accretion disk, a swirling maelstrom of matter that glowed with ferocious energy. Some quasars emitted jets of particles, propelled at nearly the speed of light, stretching thousands of light years into space. Picture it, a jet of light and energy, piercing the cosmic darkness, a testament to the power of gravity and matter in collision. These jets, visible to our telescopes, are like cosmic lighthouses, guiding us through the universe's youth, illuminating the story of its growth. The cycle of star birth and death continued within these galaxies, each generation enriching the cosmos. Stars formed from clouds of gas, their cores igniting in nuclear fusion, forging heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, in their hearts. When massive stars died, they exploded as supernovae, scattering these elements into space. Picture a supernova, its light outshining a galaxy for a fleeting moment, its remnants seeding the cosmos with the ingredients for planets, for life, for you. Smaller stars like our sun burned steadily, their lives stretching across billions of years, adding to the galaxy's glow. Some stars left behind exotic remnants, neutron stars, dense cores spinning rapidly, sending out pulses of radiation like cosmic metronomes. Picture a neutron star, its surface harder than diamond, its gravity crushing matter to unimaginable density, its pulses a steady rhythm in the cosmic night. Others collapsed into black holes, their gravity so strong that even light could not escape. These objects, from neutron stars to black holes, are the universe's storytellers. Their presence a reminder of the cycle of creation and destruction that shapes the cosmos. Humanity has peered into these galaxies, seeking to understand their formation and evolution. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble's observations revealed that galaxies are not static, but moving apart, their light redshifted by the universe's expansion. This discovery, built on the work of astronomers like Vesto Slipher, showed that the cosmos is dynamic, growing ever larger with time. In the 1970s, Vera Rubin's studies of galaxy rotation provided evidence for dark matter, an invisible substance that holds galaxies together, its gravity shaping their structure. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our telescopes and curiosity, can measure the motion of galaxies, can uncover the unseen forces that bind the cosmos. Dark matter, mysterious and invisible, was the scaffold of galaxy formation. Without it, the gas clouds of the early universe might never have collapsed into stars and galaxies. Picture it, an unseen web, woven through the cosmos, guiding gas and stars into the structures we see today. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up roughly 23% of the universe's mass energy, a silent partner in the cosmic dance. Its presence is felt in the rotation of galaxies, in the bending of light through gravitational lensing, where distant galaxies appear distorted by dark matter's gravity. Imagine this lensing, like a cosmic mirage, revealing the unseen, a reminder of the universe's hidden depths. Galaxies grew through mergers, collisions that sparked bursts of star formation and reshaped their structures. Picture two galaxies colliding, their stars passing harmlessly, but their gas clouds compressing, igniting new stars in a radiant display. These mergers created larger galaxies, some becoming giants like our Milky Way, with hundreds of billions of stars. The universe, now several billion years old, was a vibrant cosmos, its galaxies spinning, colliding, and evolving in a dance that continues even today. Let this image linger, a universe alive with motion, its galaxies a testament to the power of gravity and light. As you drift through this image of a young galaxy, feel the rhythm of its stars, the quiet pull of its black hole, the unseen presence of dark matter. The universe was now a tapestry of light and gravity, its galaxies spinning in a cosmic dance that connects the past to the present. Let this thought carry you as you sink deeper into rest, surrounded by the glow of countless stars, each one a story, each one a part of you. The cosmos, once a formless void, was now a vibrant canvas, painted with the light of creation. Humanity continues to explore these galaxies, using telescopes like the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, ALMA, to study their gas clouds, or the Event Horizon Telescope to capture the first image of a black hole's shadow in 2019. These discoveries, built on centuries of observation, reveal the universe's story, from its earliest galaxies to the present day. Let this thought soothe you, the idea that we, with our small instruments and boundless wonder, can touch the light of distant galaxies, can hear the echoes of the cosmic dawn. Let us now narrow our gaze to a quiet corner of the Milky Way, some 4.6 billion years ago, where a new chapter in the universe's story was about to unfold. In a vast cloud of gas and dust, enriched with the ashes of ancient stars, gravity began its patient work. Picture it, a molecular cloud, sprawling across light years, its particles drifting in the cosmic night, waiting for a spark to ignite creation. A nearby supernova, perhaps, sent a shockwave through the cloud, compressing it, setting it spinning until its core grew dense and hot, ready to birth a star, our sun. Imagine drifting through this cloud, surrounded by the soft glow of scattered starlight, the faint hum of gravity pulling matter together. The universe, now 9 billion years old, was filled with galaxies. But this small corner was special, a cradle for a new star and its worlds. Feel the rhythm of this moment, the quiet pulse of creation, as the cloud collapses, its particles dancing in a cosmic waltz. You are connected to this moment, your atoms forged in the stars that seeded this cloud, your existence a continuation of their story. As the cloud collapsed, its center grew hotter, denser, until nuclear fusion ignited, and the sun was born. Picture it, a young star, its golden light breaking through the haze, a beacon in the darkness of space. The sun was modest compared to the giants of the early universe, but its steady glow would endure, a constant presence for billions of years. Around it, the remaining gas and dust formed a spinning disk, a cosmic carousel where worlds would take shape. This protoplanetary disk, swirling with potential, was the birthplace of our solar system, a moment of creation that echoes in the planets we know today. Within this disk, tiny grains of dust collided, sticking together, growing from specks to pebbles, then boulders, then planetesimals, building blocks of planets. Picture it, a dance of particles, clumping together under gravity's gentle pull, forming the seeds of worlds. Over millions of years, these planetesimals grew into planets. Mercury, scorched and small, its surface battered by the sun's heat. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, a world of searing beauty. Earth, a molten orb cooling into blue. Mars, red and rugged, carved by ancient rivers. Beyond them, the gas giants, Jupiter with its stormy bands, Saturn, adorned with rings of ice and dust, took shape, their massive forms dominating the outer disk. Let your mind settle into this image. A young solar system, its planets forming in a swirl of gas and dust, the sun's light casting a golden glow. Feel the rhythm of their formation, the quiet pulse of gravity, the soft hum of creation. You are part of this story, your atoms born in the same cloud, your breath shaped by the worlds that formed here. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the light of the young sun, surrounded by the whispers of newborn planets, each one a story, each one a part of you. Comets and asteroids, remnants of the protoplanetary disk, wandered the solar system, carrying secrets of its birth. Some comets, icy travelers from the outer reaches, may have brought water to Earth, seeding its oceans as it cooled. Picture it, a comet streaking through the darkness, its icy tail gleaming in the sun's light, a messenger of creation. Asteroids, rocky fragments, battered the young planets, leaving craters as scars of their youth. These remnants, scattered across the solar system, are like fossils, preserving the story of its formation. Humanity has studied this story through meteorites, ancient fragments that fall to Earth from the dawn of the solar system. Scientists like Claire Patterson, in the 1950s, used uranium isotopes in meteorites to date the Earth's age at 4.54 billion years, anchoring our place in the cosmic timeline. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the rocks of creation, can measure the age of our world. The solar system, a tiny corner of the cosmos, was now a home, a cradle for life, its story written in the light of a young star. As the young sun cast its golden light across the swirling protoplanetary disk, the solar system began to take shape, a delicate dance of matter and gravity unfolding 4.6 billion years ago. Picture it, a disk of gas and dust spinning around the newborn sun, its particles colliding and coalescing, forming the worlds we know today. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, emerged from rocky planetesimals, their surfaces molten, sculpted by heat and impact. Farther out, the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, grew massive, their gravity pulling in vast clouds of hydrogen and helium, while Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, gathered water, methane, and ammonia in the colder reaches of the disk. Imagine drifting through this cosmic nursery, the sun's light glinting off newborn worlds, the soft hum of creation filling the void. The Earth, our home, was born in fire, a molten orb battered by asteroids and comets in its early years. Picture it, a world of glowing lava, its surface churning under a sky thick with volcanic ash, its atmosphere heavy with carbon dioxide and steam. Over millions of years, the Earth cooled, its surface hardening into a rocky crust, its atmosphere settling into a delicate balance. Water, perhaps delivered by icy comets from the outer solar system, pooled into oceans, shimmering under the young sun's light. These oceans, cradled by the Earth's gravity, were the cradle of life, a place where the universe's story would take a new turn. Let your mind settle into this image. A young Earth, its oceans glinting in the sunlight, its surface alive with the promise of creation. Feel the rhythm of its cooling, the quiet pulse of its formation, the gentle hum of a world awakening. You are connected to this moment, your atoms forged in the stars that seeded the solar system, your breath shaped by the oceans that formed here. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the light of the young sun, surrounded by the whispers of newborn planets, each one a story, each one a part of you. Jupiter, the largest of the planets, played a mighty role in shaping the solar system. Its immense gravity acted like a cosmic shepherd, scattering asteroids and comets, protecting the inner planets from catastrophic impacts. Picture it, Jupiter's stormy bands, swirling with clouds of hydrogen and helium, its great red spot a tempest larger than Earth, spinning for centuries. Saturn, with its delicate rings of ice and dust, formed a celestial jewel, its beauty a testament to the artistry of gravity. These gas giants, along with Uranus and Neptune, stabilized the solar system, their orbits carving paths through the cosmic void. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is a relic of this formative era, a region where planetesimals never coalesced into a planet, disrupted by Jupiter's gravity. Picture it, a ring of rocky fragments tumbling through space, each one a fossil of the solar system's youth. Some of these asteroids struck the young Earth, leaving craters as scars of its violent beginnings. Others carried organic molecules, perhaps the seeds of life, delivered to our planet's surface. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud, far beyond Neptune, hold comets, icy wanderers that still visit the inner solar system, their tails blazing in the sun's light. Humanity has pieced together this story through the study of meteorites, ancient fragments from the solar system's dawn. In the 1950s, Claire Patterson used uranium-lead dating on meteorites to determine the Earth's age at 454 billion years, a discovery that anchored our place in the cosmic timeline. Space missions, like NASA's Voyager probes launched in 1977, have explored the outer planets, revealing Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and the icy moons of Uranus and Neptune. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the rocks of creation, can explore the worlds that formed around our sun. The early Earth was a world of extremes, its surface shaped by volcanism, impacts, and the slow cooling of its crust. Picture it, volcanoes erupting, their lava flows carving the landscape, their gases feeding the atmosphere. Over millions of years, the Earth's magnetic field emerged, driven by its molten core, shielding the planet from the sun's harsh radiation. This field, a silent protector, allowed the oceans to form and persist, creating a haven for the first sparks of life. Imagine drifting above this young world, its oceans shimmering, its volcanoes glowing, its atmosphere a veil of possibility. The Moon, our closest companion, was born in a cataclysmic event, likely a collision between the Earth and a Mars-sized body called Theia. Picture it, a violent impact, ejecting molten rock into orbit, which coalesced to form the Moon. This young moon, glowing red in the sky, stabilized Earth's tilt, creating seasons and tides that would one day nurture life. Lunar rocks, brought back by Apollo missions, confirm this violent birth, their composition matching Earth's crust. Let this thought soothe you. The idea that the Moon, a silent sentinel, has watched over Earth since its earliest days, a reminder of the cosmos's gentle balance. As the solar system settled, the planets found their orbits, their surfaces cooling, their stories unfolding. The Sun, now a steady main-sequence star, bathed its worlds in light, setting the stage for the next chapter. Picture it, a solar system in harmony, its planets spinning, its comets wandering, its sun a beacon of stability. The Earth, with its oceans and atmosphere, was poised to become a cradle for life, a world where the universe's story would take a new turn. Let this image linger, a cosmic nursery bathed in light, as you sink deeper into rest, connected to the worlds that formed so long ago. The formation of the solar system was a moment of creation, a delicate dance of gravity and matter that gave birth to our home. As we close this chapter, imagine yourself floating above the young Earth, its oceans glinting, its moon glowing, its story just beginning. Feel the rhythm of its formation, the quiet pulse of its birth, the gentle hum of a universe alive with possibility. You are part of this story, your atoms born in the same cloud, your breath shaped by the same oceans. Let this thought carry you as we prepare to move forward into the era when life emerged, when the Earth began to breathe. Let us now turn to the Earth, 4 billion years ago, a young world of oceans and rock, bathed in the gentle light of the sun, poised to become a cradle for life. Picture it, a shimmering blue planet, its surface alive with volcanic fire, its oceans stirring with the promise of creation. In these ancient waters, beneath a sky of swirling clouds, the universe began a new chapter, one where simple molecules would weave together, sparking the first flickers of life. Imagine drifting above this primal Earth, the waves lapping gently, the air heavy with possibility, the cosmos whispering a story of beginnings. Life's origins are shrouded in mystery, but in the Earth's oceans, simple organic molecules, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, began to form, perhaps in the warmth of hydrothermal vents or the shallows lit by sunlight. Picture it, molecules dancing in the water, combining into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, the alphabet of life. These molecules, born from the elements forged in ancient stars, were the universe's first step toward consciousness, toward you. Feel the rhythm of this moment, the quiet pulse of creation, as the Earth's oceans cradle the seeds of life. Let your mind settle into this image. A young Earth, its oceans teeming with possibility, its surface a canvas for the universe's story. You are connected to this moment, your atoms born in the stars that seeded these waters, your breath shaped by the air that enveloped this world. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless above the ancient oceans, surrounded by the whispers of life's first stirrings, each molecule a story, each bond a step toward you. In these early oceans, some 3.8 billion years ago, the first simple life forms emerged. Single-celled microbes, microscopic and fragile, yet resilient. These prokaryotes, lacking nuclei, thrived in the Earth's harsh conditions, feeding on chemical energy from volcanic vents or sunlight. Picture it, a microbe, smaller than a grain of dust, floating in the ocean, its simple chemistry a spark of life in the cosmic night. These tiny creatures were the universe's first poets, their existence a quiet song, echoing through billions of years to reach you now. Over hundreds of millions of years, these microbes evolved, some developing the ability to harness sunlight through photosynthesis. Picture it, cyanobacteria, their green hues spreading through the oceans, releasing oxygen as a byproduct, slowly transforming the Earth's atmosphere. This great oxygenation event, around 2.4 billion years ago, was a turning point, filling the air with oxygen, paving the way for complex life. Imagine the oceans glowing with life, the air shifting, the Earth breathing for the first time. Feel the rhythm of this transformation, the gentle pulse of a planet awakening, as you drift closer to rest. Humanity has uncovered this story through fossils, ancient rocks that preserve the traces of these early microbes. Stromatolites, layered structures formed by cyanobacteria, are found in rocks as old as 3.5 billion years, testaments to life's resilience. Scientists like Lynn Margulis in the 20th century revealed how complex cells evolved through symbiosis, with mitochondria and chloroplasts descending from ancient bacteria. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the fossils of life's dawn, can read the story of the Earth's first breaths. As the Earth's oceans shimmered under the young sun's light, life began to weave a richer tapestry, its simple beginnings giving way to complexity. By 2 billion years ago, the great oxygenation event had transformed the planet's atmosphere, filling it with oxygen produced by cyanobacteria. This oxygen, once a poison to many early microbes, became the breath of new life forms, enabling the rise of more complex organisms. Picture it, oceans glowing with the green of photosynthetic life, the air shifting, the Earth breathing in a new rhythm. These tiny creatures, invisible to the eye, were the universe's poets, their quiet work reshaping a world, setting the stage for the diversity of life to come. Imagine drifting above this ancient Earth, its oceans teeming with life, its skies clearing under a golden sun. Feel the rhythm of this transformation, the gentle pulse of a planet alive with possibility. You are connected to this moment, your atoms forged in the stars that seeded these oceans, your breath drawn from the oxygen those microbes released. Let this thought soothe you, as you float weightless above the shimmering waves, surrounded by the whispers of life's first steps. Each cell a story, each breath a continuation of the cosmos. Around 1.8 billion years ago, complex cells, eukaryotes, emerged, their nuclei housing DNA, their organelles enabling new forms of life. These cells, born through symbiosis, were partnerships of ancient microbes, as Lynn Margulis proposed in her endosymbiosis theory. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, and chloroplasts in plants, descended from free-living bacteria, woven into a single organism. Picture it, a cell, its inner machinery humming, a microcosm of cooperation, a spark of complexity in the cosmic night. These eukaryotes were the ancestors of all multicellular life, from algae to animals, from forests to you. By 1.2 billion years ago, the first multicellular organisms appeared, simple colonies of cells working together, their cooperation a quiet revolution. Picture it, a cluster of cells in the ocean, pulsing as one, the first hint of the diversity to come. Over millions of years, these colonies grew more complex, forming algae, sponges, and other simple life forms. The oceans, once home to only microbes, became a stage for new stories, each organism a chapter in the Earth's unfolding narrative. Imagine drifting through these ancient waters, the soft sway of early life surrounding you, its rhythm a lullaby of creation. Then, around 541 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion ignited a burst of diversity as life forms evolved into a dazzling array of shapes and sizes. Picture it, oceans alive with trilobites, their armored bodies scuttling across the seafloor, early mollusks, their shells glinting in the sunlight, and strange creatures like Anomalocaris, predators of the ancient seas. This explosion, preserved in fossils like those of the Burgess Shale, marked a turning point as life experimented with new forms, from eyes to limbs to shells. Feel the rhythm of this moment, the pulse of evolution, as the Earth became a canvas for life's creativity. Let your mind settle into this image. A Cambrian ocean, teeming with strange and wondrous creatures, their forms a testament to the universe's imagination. You are part of this story, your body built from the same cells, your eyes echoing those first gazes in the ancient seas. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless above the ocean floor, surrounded by the soft hum of life's diversity, each creature a story, each movement a step toward you. Over hundreds of millions of years, life ventured onto land, as plants evolved from algae, their green leaves reaching for sunlight. By 400 million years ago, forests of ferns and early trees covered the earth, their roots anchoring the soil, their leaves breathing oxygen. Picture it. A primeval forest, its air thick with moisture, its floor alive with the scuttle of early insects. Fish, with their fins and gills, gave rise to amphibians, which crawled onto land, their descendants evolving into reptiles, birds, and mammals. Imagine drifting through this ancient landscape, the rustle of leaves a gentle lullaby, the air alive with the breath of life. Dinosaurs, those mighty rulers of the Mesozoic, dominated for over 150 million years, their forms ranging from towering sauropods to swift predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. Picture it, a Jurassic plain, a brachiosaurus grazing on treetops, its footsteps echoing through the earth. Their reign ended 66 million years ago, when an asteroid struck the Earth, leaving the Chicxulub crater and triggering a mass extinction. Yet, from this devastation, mammals rose, small creatures that survived in the shadows, their descendants evolving into whales, elephants, and eventually, us. Feel the rhythm of this cycle, the quiet pulse of life's resilience as the Earth recovered and bloomed anew. Humanity emerged just 300,000 years ago, a fleeting moment in the cosmic timeline, yet our curiosity has reshaped our understanding of life's story. Fossils, from trilobites to dinosaur bones, tell the tale of Earth's past, while DNA reveals our shared ancestry with all life. Scientists like Charles Darwin, with his theory of evolution by natural selection, illuminated the connections between all living things, from microbes to humans. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our minds and tools, can read the story of life, can trace our roots to the stars and seas. As we close this chapter, imagine yourself standing on an ancient shore, the waves lapping gently, the air filled with the breath of life. The Earth, once a molten orb, had become a cradle for life, its oceans and forests a testament to the universe's creativity. Feel the connection to this moment, to the microbes, plants, and animals that paved the way for you. Let this thought carry you as you sink deeper into rest, surrounded by the whispers of life's journey, each step a story, each breath a part of the cosmos. Now let us lift our gaze to the present universe, 13.8 billion years after the Big Bang, a cosmos vast and vibrant, filled with galaxies, stars, and worlds. Picture it, the Milky Way, our galactic home, a spiral galaxy with 100 billion stars, its arms curling through space, its core glowing with light. The Sun, a modest star, orbits this galaxy, carrying Earth and its sister planets in a quiet dance through the cosmic night. Imagine drifting above the Milky Way, its stars twinkling like fireflies, its light a soft glow that cradles your mind in calm. The universe today is shaped by forces both seen and unseen. Dark energy, a mysterious force driving the cosmos's accelerating expansion, makes up roughly 73% of its mass energy, pushing galaxies apart, stretching space itself. Picture it, an invisible tide, carrying the universe outward, a quiet force shaping its destiny. Dark matter, comprising 23% of the cosmos, holds galaxies together, its gravity binding stars and gas in a silent embrace. Ordinary matter, stars, planets, you, makes up just 4%, a small but vital part of the cosmic tapestry. Let your mind settle into this image, a universe alive with motion, its galaxies spinning, its stars burning, its vastness a canvas of light and mystery. Feel the rhythm of its expansion, the gentle pulse of dark energy, the quiet hum of gravity. You are part of this cosmos, your atoms forged in ancient stars, your breath tied to the Earth's place in the Milky Way. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless among the stars, surrounded by the whispers of the universe's light, each star a story, each planet a possibility. Our solar system, now 4.6 billion years old, is a quiet corner of the Milky Way, its planets orbiting in harmony. Earth, a blue jewel, teems with life, its oceans and forests a testament to the universe's creativity. Beyond Earth, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, some rocky like ours, others gaseous giants or icy wanderers. Picture it, an exoplanet, its surface bathed in the light of a distant star, perhaps harboring oceans, perhaps whispering with life. The Kepler mission, launched in 2009, revealed thousands of these worlds, expanding our view of the cosmos's possibilities. Humanity explores this universe with telescopes and spacecraft, peering into the depths of space and time. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, captures the light of distant galaxies, revealing their stars and gas clouds from billions of years ago. The Event Horizon Telescope in 2019 imaged a black hole's shadow, a ring of light around the supermassive black hole in galaxy M87. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the light of distant stars, can glimpse the shadows of cosmic giants. The Milky Way is not alone but part of a cosmic neighborhood, the Local Group, a collection of dozens of galaxies bound by gravity. Andromeda, our nearest spiral neighbor, lies 2.5 million light-years away, its stars destined to merge with ours in billions of years. Picture it, two galaxies, their arms intertwining, their stars blending in a cosmic dance. This future collision, gentle yet profound, is a reminder of the universe's constant motion, its story ever unfolding. Feel the rhythm of this dance, the quiet pulse of gravity, as you drift closer to rest, surrounded by the light of countless galaxies. The universe today, 13.8 billion years after its fiery birth, is a vast and vibrant cosmos, a tapestry of galaxies stretching across unimaginable distances. Picture it, the Milky Way, our spiral home, its 100 billion stars spinning in graceful arcs, its core glowing with the light of ancient suns. Beyond it, billions of galaxies, spiral, elliptical, irregular, dot the cosmic void, each a community of stars, gas and dust, bound by gravity's silent embrace. Imagine drifting through this cosmic sea, the light of countless stars surrounding you, their soft glow a lullaby that cradles your mind in calm. Dark energy, that mysterious force driving the universe's accelerating expansion, shapes the cosmos's present and future. Comprising roughly 73% of the universe's mass energy, it stretches space itself, pushing galaxies farther apart with each passing moment. Picture it, an unseen tide, flowing through the cosmos, carrying galaxies on its current. Dark matter, making up 23%, holds galaxies together, its gravity weaving the invisible scaffolds that support the stars. Ordinary matter, stars, planets, you, forms just 4%, a delicate thread in the cosmic tapestry, yet one that carries the story of life, of consciousness, of wonder. Let your mind settle into this image. A universe alive with light, its galaxies spinning, its stars burning, its vastness a canvas of mystery and beauty. Feel the rhythm of its expansion, the gentle pulse of dark energy, the quiet hum of gravity binding the cosmos together. You are part of this moment, your atoms forged in ancient stars, your breath tied to the Earth's place in the Milky Way. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless among the stars, surrounded by the whispers of their light. Each one a story, each one a part of you. The search for life beyond Earth drives humanity's exploration, with telescopes scanning distant stars for signs of habitable worlds. Exoplanets, discovered in thousands by missions like Kepler and TESS, orbit stars near and far, some rocky like Earth, others shrouded in gas or ice. Picture it, a distant planet, its surface bathed in the light of an alien sun, perhaps harboring oceans, perhaps whispering with life. The James Webb Space Telescope, peering into the infrared, studies the atmospheres of these worlds, seeking signs of water vapor or methane, clues to life's presence. Imagine the possibility, a world alive with its own story, connected to ours through the shared elements of the cosmos. Humanity's tools extend beyond telescopes to spacecraft, like the Voyager probes, now drifting in interstellar space, carrying messages of our existence to the stars. The Event Horizon Telescope, in 2019, captured the shadow of a black hole in galaxy M87, a ring of light bent by gravity, revealing the unseen heart of a galaxy. Ground-based observatories like the Atacama Large Millimeter Array study the gas clouds where stars are born, mapping the universe's present in exquisite detail. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our curiosity and ingenuity, can touch the light of distant galaxies, can glimpse the shadows of cosmic giants, can dream of life among the stars. The local group, our cosmic neighborhood, binds the Milky Way with Andromeda and dozens of smaller galaxies, their gravity a gentle tether in the expanding cosmos. Picture it. Andromeda, a spiral galaxy 2.5 million light-years away, its stars destined to merge with ours in a cosmic dance billions of years hence. This future collision, gentle yet profound, will reshape our night sky, blending two galaxies into one. Feel the rhythm of this dance, the quiet pulse of gravity, as you drift closer to rest, surrounded by the light of galaxies near and far, each one a chapter in the universe's story. The present universe is a moment of balance, a fleeting chapter in a story that spans billions of years. Its stars shine, its galaxies spin, its mysteries call to us across the void. Imagine yourself floating in this cosmic sea, the light of the Milky Way above you, the whispers of distant galaxies all around. Let this thought soothe you as you sink deeper into calm, connected to the universe's present, to the stars that burn, to the worlds that spin, to the breath you take in this quiet moment. Let us now gaze forward into the future of the universe, where the stars and galaxies we know will evolve, transform, and fade over billions of years. Picture it, the Milky Way, its spiral arms still spinning, its stars burning steadily, but the cosmos is changing, driven by the relentless push of dark energy. In 5 billion years, our sun will swell into a red giant, its outer layers engulfing Mercury and Venus, perhaps even grazing the Earth. Imagine the Earth, its oceans boiled away, its surface glowing under the sun's expanded light. A world transformed by the star that once nurtured it. Feel the rhythm of this future, the quiet pulse of time stretching forward, the gentle hum of a universe in motion. You are connected to this story, your atoms part of the stars that will burn, your existence a fleeting moment in the cosmic timeline. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the light of a future sky, surrounded by the whispers of stars yet to be born, each one a story, each one a part of the cosmos. In 7 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide, their stars passing harmlessly, but their gas clouds igniting new bursts of star formation. Picture it, two galaxies merging, their spiral arms blending into an elliptical glow, their stars dancing in a cosmic waltz. This merger, gentle yet profound, will form a new galaxy, its light a testament to the universe's constant change. Over billions of years, other galaxies in the local group will join this dance, creating a single, massive galaxy, while dark energy pulls distant galaxies beyond our reach. As the universe ages, star formation will slow, as gas clouds deplete and stars burn out. In 100 billion years, most stars will be dim, red dwarfs, their light faint, their lives stretching across trillions of years. Picture it, a darker cosmos, its galaxies glowing softly, their stars scattered like embers in the night. Dark energy will continue to stretch space, isolating galaxies, until even the nearest become invisible, lost beyond the cosmic horizon. Imagine drifting through this future universe, the light of distant galaxies fading, the cosmos growing quiet, yet still beautiful in its serenity. Humanity, if it endures, may explore this future with technologies we cannot yet imagine, perhaps traveling to distant stars or harnessing the energy of black holes. Scientists today speculate about these futures, using models of dark energy and stellar evolution to predict the cosmos's path. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that our curiosity, born in the present, may carry us into the deep future, connecting us to the universe's unfolding story. Feel the gentle rhythm of this future as you sink deeper into rest, surrounded by the fading light of stars, the quiet hum of a cosmos in transition. Let us now peer into the distant future, trillions of years hence, where the universe faces its ultimate fate. Picture it, a cosmos grown dark, its stars faded, its galaxies scattered by dark energy's relentless push. Several scenarios await, each a possible ending to the universe's story. One is the Big Freeze, where dark energy stretches space until galaxies are isolated, stars burn out, and the cosmos cools to near absolute zero. Imagine a universe of silence, its light extinguished, its matter scattered, a quiet stillness settling over all that once was. Alternatively, if dark energy grows stronger, a big rip could tear the cosmos apart, ripping galaxies, stars, and even atoms asunder. Picture it, space itself unraveling, the fabric of reality dissolving in a final, fleeting moment. Or, if the universe's expansion slows, a big crunch could collapse it back into a singularity, a fiery end mirroring its birth. Imagine the cosmos folding inward, its galaxies merging, its stars compressing, until all is one again. Each scenario is a possibility, a whisper of the universe's destiny, shaped by forces we are only beginning to understand. Let your mind settle into this image, a universe at its end, whether frozen, torn, or reborn, its story complete yet eternal. Feel the rhythm of its fate, the gentle pulse of time stretching into infinity, the quiet hum of a cosmos at rest. You are part of this story, your atoms born in its stars, your breath a fleeting note in its symphony. Let this thought soothe you as you float weightless in the vastness, surrounded by the whispers of a universe that has told its tale, each ending a lullaby, each silence a cradle. In this distant future, black holes will dominate, their gravity enduring long after stars have faded. Over trillions of years, they will evaporate through Hawking radiation, releasing faint particles into the void. Picture it, a black hole, its darkness slowly dissolving, its energy returning to the cosmos in a final, gentle sigh. By 100 years, even black holes may vanish, leaving a universe of scattered particles, a sea of quiet entropy. Scientists like Stephen Hawking, with his theories of black hole radiation, have given us glimpses of this far-off future, revealing the universe's slow fade. Humanity's understanding of these endings comes from observations of dark energy and cosmic expansion, measured by telescopes like Hubble and Planck. These tools, built on centuries of curiosity, allow us to predict the cosmos's fate, to dream of its final chapters. Let this thought settle over you, the idea that we, with our small minds and boundless wonder, can touch the future of the universe, can imagine its end. Feel the gentle rhythm of this destiny as you drift closer to rest, surrounded by the fading echoes of a cosmos at peace. As we reach the end of our journey, let us pause to reflect on the universe's story, from its fiery birth to its quiet destiny, a tale that spans billions of years yet lives within you. Picture it, the cosmos, a vast tapestry of light and shadow, its stars born and fading, its galaxies spinning and merging, its worlds cradling life. You are part of this story, your atoms forged in ancient stars, your breath shaped by the Earth's oceans, your dreams a spark of the universe's wonder. Imagine drifting through this cosmic sea, the light of countless stars above you, their whispers a lullaby that carries you to rest. The universe began in a moment of infinite possibility, a big bang that unfurled space and time, setting the stage for stars, galaxies, and life. It evolved through dark ages, lit by the first stars, shaped by gravity into galaxies, and gave birth to our sun, our Earth, our existence. Today it shines with the light of billions of galaxies, each a story, each a chapter in the cosmic narrative. In the future, it may fade, freeze, or collapse, yet its beauty endures, a testament to the power of creation, of change, of wonder. Let your mind settle into this image. A universe eternal, its light and darkness intertwined, its story echoing in your heart. Feel the rhythm of its journey, the gentle pulse of its history, the quiet hum of its destiny. You are not separate from this cosmos, but woven into it, a thread in its tapestry, a note in its symphony. Let this thought soothe you, as you float weightless in the vastness, surrounded by the light of stars, the whispers of galaxies, the breath of the universe itself. Humanity's role in this story is small yet profound, our curiosity a spark that lights the darkness. From ancient stargazers to modern scientists, we have sought to understand our place in the cosmos, to read its history, to dream of its future. Telescopes like Hubble and James Webb, spacecraft like Voyager, and theories from minds like Einstein and Hawking have woven a tapestry of knowledge, connecting us to the universe's heart. Let this thought settle over you. The idea that we, with our fleeting lives and boundless dreams, are part of the cosmos's story, part of its wonder. As you drift towards sleep, imagine yourself cradled by the universe, its light a gentle blanket, its rhythm a lullaby. The story of the cosmos is your story, its stars your ancestors, its future your legacy. Feel the connection to all that has been, all that is, all that will be. Let the universe carry you now, its vastness a home, its silence a peace, its beauty a dream that lingers as you rest. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the cosmos hold you as you sink into the quiet embrace of sleep.